Why does your scanner show the P0670 engine code? What does it mean? P0670 is a diagnostic trouble code for glow plug control module circuit fault. This engine code indicates that the PCM has detected a problem with the glow plug control module or its associated circuit. This code primarily affects diesel vehicles, where glow plugs are essential for cold engine starting. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty glow plug control module, GPCM. Damaged or corroded wiring. Blown fuse or relay. Poor electrical connections. Faulty ECM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Dodge, and Volkswagen models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.